December the 1st, we are on the volcano crater on Maui. It looks totally like you landed on the moon. Very interesting and a weird feeling.
Keep on going?
Yeah?
We can see why people come up here to watch the sunrise. The views are just amazing. Perfect place to view the night sky and home to several observatories. This is also a national park. It supports a large variety of life and some very rare plants as well. The silver sword plant lives over 9 years and flowers only once. December 1st, Maui, Haleakala crater, extinct volcano. Haleakala
Volcano Crater National Park.
We climbed down pretty far.
It's an interesting landscape. December the 1st, we are at the crater of the Haleakala Volcano. This is one of the craters. And it took us about over an hour to come down from an hour and a half from the summit. It's a pretty challenging trail, but we made it to the bottom. And hello, Uncle. And then now the challenge is to go back.
Yeah.
We'll walk around the trail around the crater, and then we'll head back. Probably will take us 2 hours or more than 2 hours to head back. Yeah, it's very interesting. It just feels like you landed on the moon, and you see the colors of different minerals and very rare plants.